Good morning, guys. Jim Squares here, bringing you some more solutions. Today's a productivity hack on improving your sleep in 5 little steps. So first, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and share with others. And let's get to it. So what I highly recommend. So these are what I'm always trying to mess with my sleep a little bit for the cheapest I can without taking pills if I can. I don't do that, but I do some other things that help. And here's what I found that helps. And I have an app. It's called the Mi Band. So first you need a Mi Band. Let's take this off. So I have a Mi Band watch. It just tracks my heart rate. And there's an app that's called Mi Band Fit Tools. So I'll put that in the links down below. So check it out. It's cool, cheap, cost effective, and that app costs nothing. So it's more all the cost is in the watch, which is good. And they're constantly making enhancements. I have no idea how they make money, but it's a really cool app. But essentially it shows your heart rate at night. And that's what I focus on, is my resting heart rate. Because the lower your resting heart rate is, the longer your body will last. So here's the things that I do to try to get that as low as I can at night and to have the best night of sleep. So first of all, I cover all of the lights in the bedroom with my favorite tool, duct tape. So that's so any like little monitor lights, my router lights, my plug lights, so like power strip lights, any kind of glowing thing, anything, whatever color. My battery backup, which you all should know about from my other videos for my internet. That one, I have all those lights covered. I have duct tape pretty much over any light that is in the room to try to keep it as dark as possible. So that's the first thing that I use. Now the second thing that I use is all of you likely have a window somewhere. So with a window, let's segue over to this. Well, I have some blackout shades. I bought these from IKEA. I have an older model, so this is a little bit of a newer one, and it's a little bit more, but $50 for nothing. And they're blackout blinds, and they work great. And like it says, so it helps you won't let your sleep get disturbed by moonlight and street lights, or be woken up by the sun when you sleep in late. So I don't necessarily have the problem with sleeping in late because I wake up when it's dark, but I do have street lights, and they're nasty, so they're everywhere. And this has been a godsend. I highly, highly recommend. This is my number 2 tip for putting that on. And it's quick, easy, and it's fast. Now, with the next thing, now that we got the room darkening shades up for $50, we've got the duct tape for $1. I'll say, not even $1. Tape up all those lights. I also close my bedroom door, but that's me. And then the next thing is I never put the cell phone in my room when I sleep, because I don't want the thing going off, because you'll hear it buzzing, you'll wake up, and it'll just ruin your sleep. So I highly recommend not having the cell phone, putting it somewhere else in another room, turning off your alarm on that thing so it doesn't ring, so you can get your sleep. And then the other thing I do is I have one of those smart home devices, so where it's an Alexa, and it has an alarm that I set. And I have it across the room, so I can't hit snooze. Just make sure you never hit snooze. So whatever you do, don't hit snooze. Like, just either sleep to where you naturally wake up, or have it where it goes off, and then when it goes up, you just get up. That's what you do. So that's the story I tell myself. I might be exhausted, and if my alarm goes off, it doesn't matter. Like, it went off. I made the agreement with myself. I get up no matter what. If you know you're going to sleep in, you might as well set the alarm for later, and then you get a better, purer sleep. Because when the alarm goes off and you shut it off, or you access to snooze, you never truly go back to sleep, and it's not as restful. You're better off just going as long as you can and then setting it for that last bit where you won't snooze anymore. So I highly recommend that one. And then the 2 other things I would recommend. So this one I do not do, not too much anyway, is stopping electronics 2 hours before bed. I have not experimented with this. I've been hearing good success with it. And so it's worth a try. So I think everyone is wired a little bit different. I don't know that helps me so much. What I saw lots of help with on my resting heart rate, so it decreased, I want to say by 8, I think it was, at night, is if I stop eating 4 hours before bed, and I don't eat anything. Like, I can drink water as much as I want. Don't drink anything else, though, with calories. So make sure you just drink water. And then I also, with my last meal, so this is about 4 hours before bed, or even after I've done this, is drink apple cider vinegar. So I drink 2 tablespoons of that and mix it with water because it'll burn your throat. So it's kind of nasty stuff. But so I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But what these things do is it helps settle down your stomach, and you finish processing food, and your resting heart rate goes down, and you sleep better, and you recover faster, and you heal better, and your body will last longer. Because if you think about the beats in the number, if you look it up online, like everything has almost a certain number of beats for their heart that it will beat, and the lower we can get that at night, the longer our body should last, and the longer we'll last. So, apple cider vinegar. Now, going back to that one, I'm very consistent. If I stop eating 4 hours before bed and drink apple cider vinegar, it's consistent. It's down in the 40s. So I think it's 40. I think I'm seeing between 47 and 49. And to get that lower, I'll still be working on it. But that's what I got. That's as low as I can get it right now, as I've been seeing. There's some variation in the devices, because I had an old device, and for some reason in October last year, I was way lower. And then, I've replaced that device. I think it might have been a gap or faulty device. But anyways, so apple cider vinegar, when you drink it, so do 2 tablespoons, and it is tablespoons, so it's the bigger measuring, inside a glass, and then mix it with like 8 ounces of water, and then you get a straw, and then you want to drink it through the straw, because you don't want it to get on your teeth, because it will stain your teeth, and you don't want that. And it's acid, so you got to make sure you mix it with water, and you stir it up, and then you drink it through the straw, and you try to swallow it down right away so it doesn't stain your teeth or break down the enamel. It's kind of nasty stuff, but it does wonders, and it works through your body, and it'll make you more, clean, and help you out, and it'll help keep your heart rate lower, resting heart rate, which is all good. We're all about getting the resting heart rate low. So I've heard if you do a lot of aerobic activity, then you can also get your resting heart rate low. I'm not so much of an aerobic guy, I'm more of a lifter. So that's what I like to do. I like to lift. I can do aerobics, I just don't enjoy it as much. So I like moving metal, like heavy metal. So that's what I like. So it's like my music, heavy metal. Anyways, that's what I got. If you want to learn more about other tips, you can check out my productivity or body hacks playlists. Yes, so thanks a lot. Keep growing together, guys. Share this with others. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be talking later. Take care. Bye.